Okay, so I'm going to be comparing two different head straps from this company called Kiwi, which I purchased during Thanksgiving of 2024. Um, this one is called the H4 Boost. It's a bigger head strap, and it's got a battery, and uh, basically it's got some this H. I think the H stands for halo, so it's got this halo style um, head support. And the other one is called K4 Boost by the same company. And the difference is this one does not have that halo style head support, but I think it does have a battery also. So I think the boost stands for battery. And if you just look at, they both are can be used either for the Quest 3 or the 3S. And they were both on sale. Actually, the H4 Boost is the more expensive one. I think regular price was $79 or so, but I got it on sale for $39. And the K4 Boost was the less expensive one, but it was also on sale, but not as much discounted as the H4 Boost, and I got this also for $39. So one would think that maybe the more expensive one is the better one, but I just wanted to compare the two and see which one is really better. So for the H4 Boost, I've already installed it on the Quest 3. This is the old strap that I removed from the sides. Basically it just clips off. It's very easy to take out. And the new one, the this better head strap just clips on. And for the K4 Boost, I'm about to install it on the Quest 3S. So this is what it looks like, the K4 Boost. This is what it looks like when it comes in the box, and it's got two parts. I think one is this battery part, which I think needs to be charged. So that's what it looks like. I think this is the USB port where the battery gets charged, and this is probably for adjustment, and it's labeled R for right, L for left, so that's convenient. And this is the actual strap that installs, that clips on to the to the Meta Quest 3 series. This is the connection from the battery, so the connection is integrated inside, and so there's no loose wires as compared to the H4 Boost, which has this loose wire like thing. But I'm sure you can probably, I thought you could maybe slide in the wire, but no, this is loose and just connects like this, whereas this is not really loose, it directly connects. So I'm removing this plastic connector, this protector, and now it's ready to install. This I'll just plug it in later after it's installed. And this is probably the headband that goes on the back, and then this is the top, I think, that connects. So it's got two parts like this, and then this is probably the charging cable. So no, actually this is just the manual. I don't think they provide a charger to charge the battery. Yeah, they don't provide a charger, but it's a USB-C style. And this is probably for adjustment. So this either pulls it out like this for a bigger head, or pulls it back in. So it's a really convenient adjustment. And then basically what else? Yeah, that's the USB-C port to charge the battery. I'm not sure how what's the capacity of the battery. I don't think they mentioned that anywhere in the box, but maybe the manual will have that information. And this, I'm not sure what these are, but these are labeled to left and right. So this is left and this is right, but I'm not sure what these clips are used for, but we'll see. And as far as removing the old connector, it should be just as easy as popping it out. So, and this is the USB-C connection on the side. So, this is can be a little tricky, but you just have to pop it out. There we go. So this pops out easily, the strap, and then same for the other side. This does not have an auxiliary audio out like the 3S has an auxiliary audio out, but the strap is adapted to uh, allow for the 3 or the 3S. So this is for the 3, the hole for the audio out. And let's see, this also rotates, so there we go. So it clicks, pops out like that. And now with the two sides out, all we have to do is remove this velcro, and then just slide out this from this part. There we go, that's out. So this is the entire strap removed, and then it's just a matter of installing this one. It's easy to know which side is which because this USB-C connector should come on the side of the USB-C connector, so it should be like this. And the audio jack, which is the hole for the audio jack, which is not, it doesn't exist for the 3S, should come on this side. So that's the side with the USB-C connection. And then it simply should just be a matter of clicking it on. Just have to hold it in place like this. And like this. And then you just press it. Actually, it should click in place. There we go. So this side is in place, and I'll connect this later. And on this side we do the same. Just click it in place. There. And so this is connected, This is the side view, what it looks like. And then finally this top part and the back. So this, I think it just clips into place over here. This clips into this position here. I think this connects to some kind of a rod inside maybe. And then this velcro strap just goes in. So this is what this piece, the backing, and this looks like. This velcro just needs to slide in like this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Yeah, there we go. Slides in. There, this slides out like this, and then this just is supposed to clip in into these two holes, I think. I think this part is similar to what existed in this other model, except this came already clipped on, and this one I think they ask you to clip on. So probably best done by rotating it like this. Hopefully it's just a matter of pressing it in. There, clips in, and then this other side also should just clip in. Just have to press it in. There we go, and it's ready. And this velcro should just be adjusted. This can be adjusted by just pressing down on this velcro, and that's it. That's what it looks like. And so this is just the comparison of the two, what they look like. This has the halo, and this halo can be adjusted with its own dial on top here. This I think adjusts the distance. This is so this actually holds onto the head. There's a padding over here, so you can think of this as having one padding at the back. That's the K4 Boost version, has only one padding at the back. This one has two paddings, one in the front and one in the back. And this padding in the front, that is the distance from the lens, so it can be adjusted with this dial. So it's got one dial in the front and dial in the back to adjust the overall length for the size of the head. So that's basically what they look like, and I'll wear them now and compare them in terms of which I feel is more comfortable, and try to decide which one I want to keep. So that's what they look like.